Hi to all. You're back here to the new video release of Photoshop Quick Tip series. Today, I am going to show you the 2 rapid ways to remove the background of a photo. First, open the Photoshop and any photo to place for the background. Here, I'll go with this wall background. Now, choose the first photo that you need to place on the top of wall background. I'll choose this photo with the dark background. Now, drag and drop that photo to the file where wall background is. And then go with the Ctrl+T keyboard shortcut and again Ctrl+ minimize to zoom out to get the full visibility of the transform points. Now, drag the anchor point with the Shift+Alt keyboard shortcuts to adjust the size in same ratio for both width and height so that the pixel won't disrupt it. Now, zoom in with Ctrl++ keyboard shortcut keys. Since the photo is darker, the darkened area can be ignored by switching to the screen blending mode this way. Now, you have to go with the Add Layer Mask option and get the brush tool to hide these other areas. For that, get the brush tool, make sure that the foreground color is black. Now, resize the brush and hide the following unwanted area. Now all is done on removing the darkened background. Now, I am going to show you the second way to hide the white background from your photo. For that, I open a photo with white background. To the adjustment and placement of the photo as per your need. Now, select this rectangle center of the specific layer with Ctrl-click to select the wall photo. Now, go to a Select option from the top menu bar. Go to the Color Range option from the menu appearing. Now, follow these steps with me. To add a color range, use this tool. To add new color range, use the same tool shown here with the plus mark. To remove any color range, use the same tool shown here with the minus mark. Select the color range that you need to remove. Adjust the fuzziness to get selected the color range in maximum possibility. Now, go with the OK option in the window. Now you will see here the specific area has been selected. Now all you have to do is click on the Add Layer Mark option with the Alt option of the keyboard. As we did for the previous photo, you can hide the other unwanted area with the brush tool, selecting the mask of the layer this way. Hope you learned a very important video today. We'll bring you another video soon on the use of layer mask option in Photoshop. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like this video. If you are new to our channel, go with both subscribe and bell icon to receive notification on our next video release. Thank you for watching our video. Have a good day. Bye.